Previously we made the phone version of the website, simple blog page with highlights, latest articles, categories, news, subscribe section and footer. Now we're going to make everything in the desktop resolution. Let's start with the navbar. Navbar on desktop will be a bit different than we have it on mobile. Let's add some stroke at the bottom and bring a few elements from mobile version, like a logo. The menu will be full menu, not the icon. Let's make it like this. Select all of them, add to auto layout with Shift A. Let's make the distance between items 40 pixels and the distance between logo and the menu items 80. Then we can also have search as the separate thing, but let's make the search text smaller, add it to auto layout, create some fill and put the search icon inside as well. Then let's align it to the left, give it some space and do like this. And let's put the search to the right. Nice. Now what we need is to bring these highlights, or not highlights, but the so-called carousel. And the only difference will be that on desktop this carousel will show all the items at once. Select all of them, auto layout. Let's rename it. Give it some space. Here we will say auto. The next section is highlight section. Copy it from mobile version here. Wait, we forgot to add some proper spacing between sections. 64 I think might be enough. So for these guys it will go horizontally. Take the entire space. Okay, we have the separator lines here, that is why. But the spacing here allows us to make all these elements bigger. Let's assign them to fill the container, and for the images to fill the container as well. Something like this. On desktop I think we can make the titles bigger, why not? Good. Then let's copy latest section, copy this style with Command Option C, assign to this title, Command Option V, or it will be Control Alt V, Control Alt C on Windows. Let's remove all the lines first of all and make this horizontal auto layout. The posts should fill the container and then resize the container to be like this. Maybe give it more spacing and okay, we have some issues here. We had a auto layout container that we no longer needed. That's why we had some trouble with filling the entire space. Now I fixed that. Add 2 more posts. Good. Okay, now we have categories and news. These 2 sections we can put it a bit differently. Actually, let's make the distance between each container 80. I accidentally took the container from mobile version to desktop version. What was the distance? 32. Let's copy that. 32, 32, 80, and copy the news section. However, here the news section will have a different layout. We will have news with a big image and a few news with the smaller images. So actually, let's do it as we did it before. Copy it and let's just copy the first thing. Here we'll change the order and we'll make the image bigger, something like this. Don't worry about the size, we'll fix everything right now. For this bigger news we can show more text. The size allows us not to truncate. Let's make the image even bigger. Something like this, and let's try, what if we change the order? Yeah, looks better in my opinion. And maybe, you know what, let's add a stroke, but only at the bottom of the title area, very subtle one. Bottom padding of 20, yeah, something like this. Let's copy this style, Command Option C, Command Option V, because you see the news and the show more becomes disconnected, same as in these titles. That's why I added this line at the bottom. Okay, good. So what is left? Subscribe section. This one we can style a bit differently. Now, as we have more space, then let's do it like this. Maybe let's have some background color for subscribe section. I think it will make everything even better. Okay, for wireframe I think it's more than enough. As I said in the previous video, don't be super precise with your wireframes, because it's just a concept to sparkle the discussion, so no need to make everything perfect unless you are presenting it to some important audience. Keep everything simple. And the contact us, the footer section, so put it below subscribe, have it like this. And for footer we can duplicate the menu as well. Actually, let's have it here. These circles are the social icons. And let's copy the menu, make it vertical. And make everything smaller, and of course less space between the items. And you know what we can do? We can actually add subscribe in the footer. Why not? I think it will be a very good decision in our case. Let's just try and see how it goes. I think it's much better than this one. Great guys, now we have the wireframes for our blog page, desktop and mobile. Well done guys, hope you liked this tutorial. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. If you have any comments or questions left, please leave them in the comment section below. Have a really great day and see you in the next video.